Yeah, there's a new day, new possibility. Able to get all this up. Not sure if you see this on video. Put up. I put on one connector here. Luckily they have colors and are very different. There. And then this big one. Some is heat, some is the electric seat. Here, it's very simple. 4 screws. This is 14 millimeters. Come to the other side, now to get the seat forward. Yeah, let's see if I get this. Can I get the stands on there? Was here too, like from the back. There's 4 screws. Just hang it on one of them. I have to see how the weather is later today, because I can't stand here the whole day. But at least I'm very happy with the progress. Start to look like a car again in front. Yeah, actually, I'm very happy with the progress. So I'm just should I have something I could have dried it up right away, but for a moment the sun is very nice. I can just keep it like that. Finally, I can actually sit in the car without sitting straight down to the metal. So that makes me happy. Now I'm thinking of putting in the screws in the back part of the seats. Oops. Here is just Just 4 screws, just 2 on each seat in the back. I'll take with me the bag of holders. I think it's there also is in the back. Yeah. Yeah. That side is finished. Now I have the wire for the center part of the console. Just do it right away. Finish with this too. Clips part is out. And here. It's the wrong way. So clips to go in there. Some tabs. On the top is 3 tabs. It's going in at the top. Then it should go in without too much problems. Then the center console is someplace there. Yes, we have a few different types, and I don't remember which one is which one. I think this one is the one out there. Yeah, that is locking there. This one come out and I take out the seat. Now I can't get it back. I have to try to find out why. See on this side, I have the same problem as on the other side. This problem. How can I get rid of that? Because that one is supposed to be in the seat system. I have to see how I maybe be able to put it in. No, I can't just put this one in because of that. The other side is the same problem. The splint there. I see something in there that we can't see bolted. I had the rubber mat. If you like the video about the series about this car, I think this is going to be video number 19. Thank you for visiting this time too. hope you come back. If you haven't seen the other videos, you can just check out. There's a lot of different things when I was taking this car apart and things around there. So just check it out. Maybe it's something you need to understand, something you think is funny to look at, me. And hope you subscribe to the channel. I have a lot of other cars standing.